Not every car accident is straightforward. Sometimes what looks like a simple accident turns into a complicated fight with the insurance company. And today I want to walk you through one of our real examples of how a car accident played out and how we ultimately reached a settlement for our client. I'm Cary Woods II, a personal injury attorney here in Florida. One of the things I try to do in these videos is explain how injury cases actually unfold, because the process is rarely as simple as people expect. So let's walk through a case from start to finish. This case started when our client was involved in an intersection crash. The accident occurred when the at-fault driver ran through a red light. According to the evidence at the scene, there was eyewitness testimony that was disregarded by the responding law enforcement officers. Our client was experiencing neck pain and back injuries, so they sought medical attention shortly after the crash. At that point, the focus was on ensuring that they received proper medical treatment, while we began evaluating the legal side of the case. As the case developed, it became clear that the injuries were more serious than they initially appeared. Our client underwent emergency room treatment, physical therapy, and extensive treatment with medical providers. One of the most important parts of building a personal injury case is documenting the full extent of the injuries, including how it affects someone's ability to work, function, and go about daily life. All of this evidence helps to establish the true impact of the accident. Once we had gathered the initial evidence, we presented the claim to the insurance company. And like many injury cases, the insurance company disputed liability and questioned the severity of my client's injuries. This is something we see frequently. Insurance companies often start with a position that minimizes the value of the claim. So at that point, we responded by providing additional medical evidence, expert opinions, and accident reconstruction reports. This is often when the direction of the case really begins to take shape. As the case progressed, we continued building the evidence and strengthening the claim. This includes using expert testimony, medical opinions, and witness statements. Once the insurance company understood the strength of the case and the potential risk of the case going to trial, negotiations began to move in a more productive direction. After multiple rounds of negotiations, we were able to reach a settlement for our client. The resolution allowed our client to receive compensation for medical expenses, lost income, pain and suffering, and future medical treatment. Now, every case is different. This example shows how important it is to fully investigate the accident, document the injuries, and push back when insurance companies undervalue your claim. Many cases that begin with low settlement offers can develop into much stronger outcomes. I'm Cary Woods II. My team helps accident victims navigate the legal process and pursue the compensation they deserve. If you have questions about your situation, please feel free to reach out. And if you want to learn more about how personal injury cases work, follow along for more videos just like this.